Halpin here, and welcome to second semester of British Literature. Are you super excited? Because I know that I am. You're stoked. I know you are. Okay, so many of you had me last semester, and I am so excited to see you again. And I hope that I have been hyping up the second semester. Some of you have been asking for more modern readings. We are going to get to them at some point this semester. But for those of you who are new to the class, welcome. I am so honored, whether you're new or you've been with me since the beginning of the school year, I am so honored that I get to spend what is hopefully the last semester of your high school career with you. It is such an exciting time because I know many of you are thinking about the future and what you're wanting to do once you get done. So, my goal is to keep you motivated and keep you reaching towards that goal. I love this second semester because what we see in this progression from the Enlightenment to the 20th century is we really see a societal shift. And many of the origins of societal issues we see today, we find in literature starting with the Enlightenment because there really is a change in that mindset. So it really is exciting, and I look forward to showing you that literature and having those discussions with you and making those connections from the past to where we are currently as a society. So it is a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to teach that to you this semester. Okay, so let's go over what you need to know in the classroom for this week and to get you started off on the right foot. So if you've been at OHVA for a while, you know we have course materials and then there's a Start Here folder. So your goal for this week is you do need to go into the the course materials folder, as long as we'll load that up here. Okay, now, I'm giving you a very quick overview of these modules. What you will need to do is on your own time is read this stuff. I don't just put it in there for fun. I didn't write it just for fun. There's a lot of important information in there, and I really think that you should take the time to read that information, okay? So there's the contact information, and then the syllabus, what to expect from the semester, and what to expect from me as a teacher and what I expect of you. There's a lot of important information in that. Academic integrity, it never fails. I caught people cheating on the final exam. I catch people cheating every semester. Please do not cheat, okay? So there's the academic integrity policy right there. Grading information, a digital copy of the textbook in the classroom. We will not be using that as much this semester. We will be using mostly digital copies within the classroom. So make sure that you are staying up to date in the course and reading through the content pages, because if you don't read the content, you're not going to do well on the quizzes or the assignments, okay? So make sure you do that. Then the Start Here folder has, again, my teacher contact information. I really want you to contact me if you don't get something, okay? Again, that grading information. There is the Meet Mrs. Halpin link if you want to get to know me a little bit. Meet Mrs. Petruski. She is the intervention specialist within the class. You can get directions to sign up for Remind. So if you say don't like talking to your teachers, which you know that happens from time to time, you can pick up your lovely cell phone and you can text me through the Remind app and ask me your questions. Okay. That Remind app also has office hours. So if you're texting me at 10 o'clock at night, you probably won't hear from me until the next morning. Let's see here. Teacher resource. Oh, that's me. And Class Connect recordings. Here's what you need to do this week. Okay, your information is in the introduction folder, introduction unit. Okay, this week you have 3 assignments that you need to do. First, using Google Drive. For those of you who just started this class, you need to go through this folder. Every single assignment that is in the classroom is a Google Doc, is created on a Google Doc. So you need to follow the directions on either how to download that as a Word document if you don't want to use Google Docs, or you need to learn how to save it as a Google Doc. I highly encourage that you save your work as a Google Doc. I would say the class is about 75-25. 75% uses Google Docs, while about 25% uses Word docs. It is up to you. I just want the work from you, okay? This video right here is really helpful and shows you step by step on how to download those assignments, and then how to save it, so you can submit it into the Dropbox. You need to complete the 1.1 My Google Plan. This is your job for Tuesday, okay? As long as you complete the quiz, you get full credit. There's no wrong answer there. On Wednesday, you're going to be expected to complete the Don't Waste Your Last Semester assignment, okay? You'll be reading a link, and it talks about senioritis because that is a real thing. And what we'll be doing is we'll be talking about some goals and how you're going to stay motivated for this last semester of school, okay? For those of you who are new to the class, I do not put your assignment links within the Dropbox. You need to go through the content in the classroom and click the assignment link. This will take you to the worksheets that you have to complete within the course. Then this will not open until Thursday. This is very important, and you will not be able to move on to the next unit until you complete this assignment. It is your British Literature Semester 2 pre-test, okay? Do not look up answers. Do not stress about it at all. Just complete it, okay? It's going to tell me where you are as a learner, and but what I'll do is that's not going to count against you at all in the class. It is omitted from your grade. But when you complete that pretest, you get 20 points just for completing it. And I'll have to put that in manually. So please give me a little bit of time for me to make sure that you've done that quiz, and then I will put in that 20 points. Okay? If you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to reach out. All right? I promise I'm a nice teacher. I will have high expectations of you. This is your senior year of school. There will be a lot of writing, there will be a lot of reading, but I am nice, and as long as you keep in contact with me and you're asking questions, those students tend to be the ones who are successful within the course, okay? I look forward to seeing all of you on Tuesday at 11, and I cannot wait for this next semester of the school year. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day. Bye, everyone.